Before starting the slat belt conveyor system, make sure that the main disconnect switch is in the off position. Inspect the conveyor bed to make sure that the slat belt is sitting properly in the track. The belt line should be free from any obstructions such as spoons, knives, forks, and napkins. Inspect the drive and tail units to make sure that the strainers are in place. Replace the strainer compartment cover and shut the doors of the drive unit. Now turn on the main disconnect switch. Set the belt wash function to detergent and spray and push the green start button. Conveyor speed is adjustable. Based on the available manpower and volume of incoming trays, the desired speed can be set by the operator. A low detergent level warning light on the control panel glows when the solution tank runs out of detergent. Fill the solution tank to maintain the flow of detergent. Before shutting down the conveyor system, turn the detergent selector switch to the spray only position for a few minutes. This will avoid the buildup of detergent scale on the slats. To shut down the conveyor, push the red stop button and then turn the main disconnect switch to the off position. Soiled trays deposited on the slat belt conveyor at the loading station will be conveyed to the soiled dish table, where the operator can remove cups and glassware and place them in the rack. The optional plate rinse station can be set to the manual mode with the spray running continuously, or in the auto mode with the spray only working when the plate is under the nozzle. Clearing food items from plates into the water trough avoids food particle buildup in the dish machine and reduces sanitation time. Stacked plates and bowls can be easily placed on the plate conveyor. Water gushing in the waste trough forces the garbage towards the disposer or pulper. If the system incorporates a power roller conveyor, loaded racks can be easily pushed onto the power roller. The power roller conveyor system, combined with gravity rollers, convey the racks to the dish machine. On some systems, trays can be automatically collected by the self-leveling tray stacker at the end of the tray line conveyor. The plate conveyor can run in a continuous mode on the main and auxiliary control panels, or on demand by pushing the hip switch below the table to advance the conveyor. The conveyor runs when the hip switch is depressed and stops when released. Start and stop buttons provided on the main and auxiliary control panels can override the functions of the hip switches and vice versa. An accumulation switch automatically shuts off the conveyor when activated by the arrival of dishware. The conveyor automatically restarts when accumulation is cleared. A magnetic cutlery remover speeds up the process of cutlery handling by picking them up and dropping them off to the mobile soak sink automatically. A magnetic silver saver mounted underneath the trough catches cutlery accidentally dropped into the trough. The lift gate allows the operator access to the dish machine for loading of non-rackable items. This vertical position of the lift gate also allows accumulation of dish racks. Once the desired accumulation is achieved, the lift gate can be lowered to allow automatic loading of racks into the dish machine. Rollers are exposed to the hot cleaning water at the exit of the warewash unit, and plastic rollers will warp if placed too close. Hence, the roller conveyor incorporates a few stainless steel rollers at the beginning, followed by PVC rollers. The roller unit is oriented in such a way that the stainless steel rollers are always placed near the exit of the warewasher. The system is equipped with a heavy-duty hose station for easy cleanup. The plate stacking ledges and stub roller sections can be easily removed for cleaning. The rack shelves and corner guides can also be easily removed for cleaning. However, water should never be directed at any control panel. Part of the cleanup job is accomplished automatically on the return track of the slat belt conveyor by the spray arms located inside the wash chamber. The detergent release acts as a cleansing agent as well as lubricant between the belt and the return track. The strainers in the drive and tail units should be removed and cleaned at the end of each shift. Before starting the system, make sure that the main disconnect switch is off. Check if the ladders and racks are properly mounted in an upright position, no obstructions are in the way of the racking area, and the strainer is in position. Turn the main disconnect switch to the on position and press the green start button. Some systems may have an auxiliary push button located at a convenient position. Adjust the setting to the desired speed. The anti-jam safety limit switch shuts off the conveyor when trays are not fully loaded into the tray carriers. Soiled trays are loaded onto the empty racks of the accumulator on the loading side. These trays are unloaded at the sorting area located on the other side. Some accumulators are provided with an integral dish table with waste trough and dish rack conveyor. To shut down the conveyor, push the red stop button, then turn the main disconnect switch to the off position. Before cleaning the accumulator, shut down the system. Baskets and ladders can be easily removed for cleaning. The strainer should be removed and cleaned at the end of each shift. Turn on the main disconnect switch. The conveyor speed is adjustable. The operator can set the desired speed based on the available manpower and volume of trays to be handled. Trays should be properly placed on the conveyor. Dishes should not be placed directly on the cords. To shut down the conveyor, push the red stop button and then turn the main disconnect switch to the off position. The conveyor can be cleaned easily by hosing down every day or at the end of each shift.